What is up? It's your boy Ang here, bringing to you guys a brand new freaking video, man. So look, listen, today we got a fun one. Today we got an exciting one. Today we've got a banger. So I apologize that I took a little bit of a hiatus. I went to a different country and, well, now I'm sick. But I'm back with a sick video, so it's okay. We made up for it. Before I left the country, a company reached out to me and they were like, Ang, look, buddy, we know you're awesome. We got a mod for you. Would you be interested in reviewing it? And I'll be honest with you, at first I wasn't too stoked, but while I was on vacation, I actually rode in a truck that had side steps very, very similar to them, and boy oh boy am I excited to be able to own them. So without further ado, in today's video we're going to be changing out these side steps. Now, these side steps are nice, they're cool, I like them a lot, they look very rugged, but you guys already know, function over fashion, that's what we do here on this channel. So we're going to be swapping them out, testing them out for a little while. The problem that I have with these is that they are very awkward. This is your traditional side step. They look nice, they look cool, but they aren't very functional. Let me show you what I mean. For instance, Sandy's mom, a little bit vertically challenged, I gotta admit. So she opens up the door, there's a mess. Oh, there's another mess. Sandy's mom opens the door, you kind of have to lift your foot all the way up. Defeats the purpose of being an actual side step, because you're here and you kind of have to like awkwardly, it's a very awkward thing. Let me try to show you guys. Instead of doing like a stair motion, you kind of have to like. But that's enough chitter chat, let's get into the installation. So inside the box you get the two side steps, one here, one over there. Then you get two things. You get the instructions, but you don't really need them since you have this video. But also you get all the hardware that's needed, which is super good because sometimes they actually don't come with hardware. So make sure if you're ordering side steps, they come with hardware. Right here, it's actually pretty useful. Just before you get started, you may want to go through and count everything, make sure everything is there. So let's get everything out of the box. Alright, so if you have side steps on, obviously you have to take them off. Once you got those off, now it's time for the installation of these bad boys. Now you're gonna have to start off with the brackets first. This is what the one up front looks like. This is the middle one, and this is the rear. So let's get these bad boys in place, and then we'll get started with mounting this bad boy. Once you get all three brackets in place, I'm pretty much halfway done. You see right here, you see how this plate right here is facing the front of the truck? That's what you're gonna wanna do for all of these. Plate right here, facing the front, and then it's the same way down there. Now that that's done, it's time to get these bad boys up there. You can do it with some help. That's my help right there, or you can get someone else to help you, whatever works best for you. I've done it multiple times by myself, but this time we're getting some help. All right, so they're on, but I would definitely recommend getting someone to help you because it's not easy putting them on by yourself. There's a little bit of wiggle room. You can move them a little bit to the left or a little bit to the right, find your liking, and then you should be a-okay. Once you get that done, it's time to tighten them. So tighten up those two, then those two, and you should be a-okay. Make sure to tighten these, as this is what's holding the side steps to your truck. Down here on this side as well, and then you can just go ahead and repeat the process. Now that you've got them installed, now it's time to enjoy. Now I want to show you guys a quick comparison, these versus the ones that I currently have. I wish I would have got my first impression. Even Sandy said these are way more functional and a lot better as just an everyday user. So I have to lift my leg very, very high. So at this point, I'm already right here. Might as well just make the leap and call it a day. Versus on this side, we have a step to get in. Versus having a step to get in. On this side, I have to like get my leg really high up, which I might as well just get inside the truck versus just using this little side step. So what do you guys think? I am definitely a fan of these and will be rocking these, at least as of right now. I really like the convenience of just being able to step in and get in the truck. At first, when Sandy's mom first saw those other side steps, she was like, am I supposed to stand on this? Versus this is that clear impression that you're supposed to step and get inside the truck, especially being that it's a lifted truck. The people I hang around aren't the tallest, okay? They struggle vertically. So with this, it gives everybody a fair shot to get inside the truck. Shout out to KYX. I don't know how to say their name. It sounds like Kicks, but I don't know if it is Kicks. If it is, cool. If it isn't, it should be Kicks. It sounds cool. They sent these out to me, and I am very, very happy. Nerf bars. Durable modification for the toughest vehicles, which I don't know if I have the toughest vehicle. It just carries around some baskets, some drawers, and a backpack, and one glove. I lost my other glove. But nonetheless, these will be linked down below in the description if you are interested. They are also offering a discount code, but stay tuned as there will be later videos on these Nerf bars, step bars, side things. So with all that being done, now it's time to repeat the process on the right side because Sandy is absolutely fallen in love with these. I meant to do it on her side first, but I got mixed up. So this side is done, on to the next side, but there you go. That's how you install them. That's what they look like. Definitely, I rate them very highly. With that being said, I hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, please leave a like, a comment, and a subscription. Remember, link down below if you're interested. There is a coupon code down there for you guys. But nonetheless, it's been your boy. I'm out like an Audi. I'll see you tomorrow. Sleep with tomorrow. Peace.